Before we start, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You see that mess? Do you see that mess?
Let's void my warranty!
Today I open up my MK Sound V12 Plus THX certified subwoofer. This subwoofer was the first MK Sound V12 Plus subwoofer ever available in Canada. And as you can see here, this is the plate amplifier for the unit. The PCB on the right side carries the Bluetooth and DSP modules. And on the left side is the PCB for power supply and amplifier. Everything is neat, clearly marked, and easy to access. And here it is again, the photo I took of the plate amplifier assembly. Moving on, this is the speaker itself with a very unique and very rigid basket. It looks like it has dual coil configuration. Also, I don't understand why there's no sticker or any indication that this is an MK Sound driver. Appearance-wise, I don't see anything special about this subwoofer. Of course, the sound quality is a completely different story, as I find this subwoofer to be the most articulate subwoofer I've ever tested. Now, this is the inside of the subwoofer, with crazy amount of bracing, even more so than the JL Audio. Just look at that.
Impressive.
I guess they have to do that because this is a sealed subwoofer. After all, you want the subwoofer enclosure to be as rigid as possible in order to make the sound to be very clear and very clean. As I mentioned before, this subwoofer has the best articulation and details compared to any other subwoofer in its class. And that's it for this video. I'm curious to know what you think about this video, about the speakers. So share your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.